Cast on 44 stitches. Work 2 rows with a ribbing 1 by 1. Work 4 rows with another yarn with the same ribbing 1 by 1. Again, change the color of the yarn and work 2 rows. Work 4 rows with green yarn, 2 rows with yellow yarn, and again 4 rows with green yarn. Work 16 rows a ribbing 1 by 1 with yellow yarn. Work 12 rows with garter stitches. Cast off 11 stitches and work with knit stitches till the end of the row. From this side also cast off 11 stitches and work with knit stitches till the end of the row. Work 40 rows with knit stitches. The first row, change the color of the yarn, slip the stitch. The second stitch works as a knit stitch. Throw the slipped stitch over the knitted one. The next stitches work as knit stitches besides the last 2 stitches. Work stitches together through the front loop. Work all knit stitches. Further alternate from the first to the second row till it remains 10 stitches on the knitting needles, to the 12th row. The 13th row, make a yarn over. Work all knit stitches and in the end 1 more yarn over. The 14th row, work the yarns over through the back loops, but the rest stitches work with knit stitches. Alternate the 13th and the 14th row till you get to the 24th row. Repeat the knitted 20 centimeters. Cast off the stitches. Sew. Turn the work backwards and sew.